It's Wing Review time!
Hey, this is Jacksonville AD coming from St. Augustine, Florida. We're here at the Milltop Tavern, and this is a Wing Review Express. So wings here, I thought were pretty good. We got the mild and the hot, and I think they were a. What do you think they were?
7.5.
There we go, 7.5 on the record. Milltop Tavern, St. Augustine.
Your boy Jaybird here, and I'm super excited to announce that we have teamed up with a big and tall men's clothing company, One Bone Brand. Why do we do that? Because if you're a big guy like me who loves chicken wings, you understand that when you go shopping for clothing, it just doesn't fit right. You find something that fits good in the midsection, the arms are flapping, the neck is stretched out to here, and man, it just looks silly. Look at this. I look great. I'm in my long sleeve scoop, right, from One Bone Brand, the biggest brand. And I'll tell you what, I feel great, I know I look great, and you should too. That's right, go on www.onebonebrand.com, and absolutely when you go to checkout, make sure you put that promotion code WingNation in there to get a discount at checkout. Onebonebrand.com, you put that promotion code WingNation in and check out everything they have. They got incredible styles, designs, and colors in all the right fits for you. They got anywhere from medium up to 7X. So change your t-shirt game, change your life. Make sure you get on onebonebrand.com and put in that promotion code WingNation. We appreciate you guys.